DRDO is extending the development of the Tapas medium-altitude, long-endurance drone, seeking to enhance its capabilities to operate above 30,000 feet. Despite not fully meeting specified requirements, a defense force has expressed interest in utilizing Tapas drones for operations in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. DRDO aims to improve designs and increase power to meet altitude and endurance needs. The Border Security Force, BSF, plans to acquire 125 Trichy assault rifles to encourage indigenous arms usage. Developed by Ordnance Factory, Trichy, the 7.62 by 39 mm TAR has a modular design, gas-operated mechanism, and versatility in single-shot and burst modes. The move aims to enhance self-sufficiency in India's defense capabilities, following the successful deployment with the CRPF. DRDO unveils revolutionary robotic car kit for armed forces, which enabling remote-controlled driving for any car. It can be installed in any car, transforming it into a fully automatic and unmanned vehicle.